This video shows you how to make one simple and delicious recipe using ground meat to make 3 different meals. The recipe is ideal when you don't have a lot of time but want to eat a variety of foods. We made kofta, burgers, as well as meatballs with tomato sauce. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and comment and let us know what you'd like to see next. The details of the ingredients we used are listed in the description box as usual. First, we washed and soaked the rice for about half an hour so it could soften. Then we put the soaked rice in a food processor along with an onion that we chopped up and a couple of green chilies. This way we make sure that it's fine, ready for when we mix it with the meat later. It should then look something like this. Next, we're going to mix everything in one big bowl. First, we put the ground meat into a bowl. Then, added the rice mix. Fresh coriander, fresh dill, cumin powder, paprika, turmeric powder, dried coriander, rosemary, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, salt, chili flakes, chili powder, ground black pepper, and crushed garlic mixed with salt and black pepper. Then we mixed everything up really well. As a note, by adding a lot of fresh coriander and dill, this could make the meat look quite dark once it's cooked, so you can add less if you don't want this. We let this marinate for a little, but this is optional. You can leave it anywhere between 15 minutes up to a few hours. First we made the kofta. We greased the oven plate with some olive oil and then started shaping the meat using a chopstick to help mold it into shape. We added a light glaze of olive oil before placing it in the oven at gas mark 5 for just over an hour. We like our meat well done, but make sure you check it every 20 minutes or so to take it out based on your preference. Next, we made the burger patties. You can use your palm to shape them or a shape mold. We also placed these in the oven for an hour at gas mark 5. Finally, we made the meatballs. To make the sauce, we mixed half a cup of water with a heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. We added all-purpose seasoning and grounded black pepper. Since we flavoured the meat well, we don't need to add too much seasoning to this sauce. We topped it off with a sprinkle of olive oil and fresh coriander and put it in the oven for just over an hour at gas mark 5. Now they should be ready to eat. As mentioned earlier, we like our meat well done, so make sure to take it out of the oven if you prefer otherwise. It tastes soft and really flavorful, and because we added rice to the mix, the meat taste isn't overpowering at all.